Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to go over why modern cars are going to get more and more expensive to service. So I'm going to go over a few reasons why, starting with the technologies. So more and more modern cars are packed with technologies. And by technologies, I mean the ADAS, which is Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. That's going to be everything from blind spot monitoring to emergency braking, lane assist, and I have a few of them listed here. So self-park, parallel self-park, rain sensor, heated windshield, heated seats, heated steering wheel, heated mirrors, GPS, Wi-Fi, and so on. You get the gist of it. So these systems, when they fail, they're really expensive to service and calibrate. Not all shops are equipped with the calibration systems. I'll put up a picture here just to show you how expensive the full kit to do all the calibration necessary for all the cars. It's over $20,000 and not all shops are going to invest in that. So this calibration kit will come in handy when cars have been into a wreck and the shops are going to have to calibrate some of the modules, and some of these systems need to be readjusted so they could function properly. So a lot of body shops would have these calibration kits, and shops that specialize in the replacements of windshield. So sometimes the windshields have a front camera, either for lane assist or emergency braking or even cruise control. So when going to replace your windshield, they're gonna have to recalibrate that camera as well. So that's why even something simple as windshield replacement is going to cost a lot more. And now newer cars are also equipped with bigger tires. So what I've noticed is a lot of new cars are running bigger and bigger rims. So 18, 19, 20, 21 inch. And some SUVs are just casually running 22 inch. That's the norm now. And these big wheels need to take on bigger tires, and bigger tires are also more expensive. So tire costs just by itself are getting higher and higher every year. Now add on a bigger and wider tire that you need if ever you need to replace them on one of these newer cars, and the cost will add up really quickly. And if you live in colder climates, then you're gonna have to have two sets of tires, so one for winter and one for summer. So if you're gonna be purchasing 19, 20, or even 22 inch, that's going to cost a lot, over $1,500 for sure for a whole set of four. All right, now we're at the second reason on why modern cars are going to cost more to service. So this reason is going to be qualified techs that need to get paid more. So shops are increasing their rates every year, and also technicians are asking for more money every year. And there's nothing wrong with that. When I used to work as a technician, I wanted a pay raise every year, and that's normal. There's no point of staying stagnant and where you are. And the shop or dealership should fight to keep you, so that's where the pay raise would come in handy. If the shop doesn't want to give you a pay raise, then that's all the reasons to go elsewhere and find a shop that would pay you higher. So new cars are filled with control modules that communicate with each other. And as technicians, we need more and more scan tools that are capable of communicating with these modules, and also scan tools that are capable of testing these modules. Just because we own a $1,000 scan tool or even a $2,000 scan tool doesn't mean that this scan tool is capable of doing everything. So either active tests or communicating with some modules. So this is where it gets complicated. More and more technicians are going to be hesitant to buy more capable scanners because some manufacturers are making it harder and harder to either communicate with the car or get some service repair information. And that's just dealing with the module and computer aspect of the modern cars. There's another issue with modern cars, which is the new Freon that's in it, the 1234YF, which is more expensive than the R134A. It costs more to service and it takes longer to service, so at the end you're going to be stuck with the bill. And of course, modern cars are forced to take on the new Freon because of emissions regulation, and all that means is you're going to be paying more at the end of the day. And now the third and final reason why modern cars are going to be more expensive to service and just to maintain is because of insurance costs. So insurance prices are going up every year because the insurance companies are aware of all the technologies and all the modules that are in the car, and they know all the risks that are with it. Besides just the modules, even the headlights and taillights of modern cars, they're mostly LEDs, and these LEDs are not serviceable. The only fix is going to be a complete replacement. Even if you didn't get into a crash, the only way to repair a burnt out LED taillight or headlight is by replacing it. Now you might be thinking that if you drive a shitbox, the insurance rates won't affect you that much. Even with older beat up cars, the insurance rates will go up. And the reason behind this is insurance companies won't charge you because you're driving a shitbox. They'll charge you because the people around you are driving a nicer car, and that's where the risk comes in. So I remember I was at a shop last year to get my tires done, and I overheard the advisor talking to his insurance company. They told him that his insurance rate went up on his car, not because his car is getting older and more beat up. It's because the people around him are getting new cars, and that's the reason for the price increase. So imagine that the people around you are getting newer cars, newer electric cars, and at the end you're going to have to pay for that indirectly. So this is why I think insurance are scam, but that's going to be a topic for another video. All right, that's going to be it for this short video, guys. Hope you find it helpful. Hope you find it valuable. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.